7 December. Today is the Indian Armed Force Flag Day. Indian Armed Force is the combination of Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force. It is the armed force who have been toiling around the borders of our country, putting their lives at risk and have been protecting us from those who were against our very mother India. So, we the volunteers of Rhythm of Nation have come up to have a view on the perception of the common mass of our state Orissa about the Indian Armed Force, what they think and what they feel about them.
Have you seen body movie? Could you please name some of
Sunil Shetty, Sunny Deol, Akshay Khanna, Jackie Shroff,
That's
Pooja
it.
Bhatt.
Okay, fine.
Actress.
Pooja Bhatt, right. Okay, and what even it was based?
1971 war.
What war?
Longevala.
Longevala, fine. Okay, fine. And few more questions. Amir's new movie. Amir's new movie, latest one.
PK.
PK, right. Okay. Then we see Armed Force Commander in Chief.
Armed Force Commander. President.
Yes, right, President. Okay, fine. Position of Indian Armed Forces in world.
Third.
Yeah, right. It's third. Okay, you can continue.
Okay, fine. We need your messages for the Indian Army. Could you please give us some messages? Starting from the birthday guy. We suppose it's your birthday today. Happy birthday. You're sharing the birth flag today. Okay,
And in fact, my dad is in the army.
So now, and your dad is in the army, so we would expect some very good messages from you.
Nice.
What kind of
One-man army.
For Indian Army, anything you would like to
Army.
express?
We are all proud of our Indian armies and we should hope best for them to continue all this defending our country in the best way they can.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Moving on to you.
Pretty girl.
The pretty girl.
They're doing a very good job and they should continue. That's good.
Okay, they should just continue doing what they're doing. Anything special? Okay, thank you. Manish?
Well, starting with how my family background belongs to army. So we basically belongs to defense, and just a small message that the hardship that you take to save us is quite commendable. So love you guys, and thanks for saving us, saving our lives, saving the prestige of in our motherland called India. And so guys, whatever you're doing, it's just awesome. There's no words to define you. So thank you on my behalf. Thank you from the team that I have, and thank you from all the people that I know. You are doing a commendable job. Thank you.
Have you watched the movie Border? Do you know, do you know the actors and actresses in the movie?
Yeah.
Could you name them please?
Sunny Deol, Akshay Khanna, Ajay Devgan, Sunil Shetty,
Okay.
and Jackie Shroff.
Okay, that is nice. Now, which battle was this movie based on?
We don't know, it's India, Pakistan.
Well, Amir Khan's new movie is coming up.
BK.
Okay, fine. You is very well aware about the new movie. Now, could you please give us some messages for the Indian Army? Simply the rock. Okay. Apurva. Amali.
They are best, and they are simply protecting us from the other nations, other countries.
Okay. Have you seen the movie Border?
I have seen, but I forgot it.
Okay, sir. Do you remember the actors in this movie?
Only Sunny Deol was there.
Yeah, sir. And so, do you know which battle this movie was based on? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're right.
Actually, in what position is the Indian Army actually now in the world? Position. Yeah. Well.
So the world ranking of the Indian Army. Yes, sir.
Position was only third, I think.
Yes, sir. So you're absolutely right.
Right, sir. Any word that comes to your mind when you see an Indian Army?
I think they are capable enough to handle the security related aspects. Whatever be the incident,
Yes, sir.
they are good enough to handle the.
Yes, sir. So any message that you would like to give to the Indian Army?
our full support with them, moral support and whatever support they would like to have from us, that is we can extend. We
Okay,
should
sir.
extend to them.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Like to convey a message to the Indian Army.
Indian Army, basically I can say that those guys are working very hard and they are doing their best to serve their country, and I can just say that we salute you people.
You know who's the commander-in-chief of the armed forces?
Something Dalbir Singh Mark.
No, you're going wrong. Any other guesses?
He's actually army chief actually, and
We're asking commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Okay, thank you.
पोजीशन ऑफ इंडियन आर्मी इन द वर्ल्ड, थर्ड। कौन सा एक्टर थे उसमें?
बॉर्डर में
हाँ हाँ सर।
बॉर्डर में हमारा ये था ना, दो तीन बार देखा लेकिन याद नहीं आ रहा, थोड़ा याद करवा दीजिए।
सुनील
हाँ,
शेट्टी।
सुनील शेट्टी था।
ओके, और कोई किसका नाम याद आ रहा होगा?
सर
सनी देओल।
सनी देओल था। हाँ सर।
ओके सर।
लास्ट में मारा।
आमिर खान का नाम तो सुने होंगे आप?
हाँ हाँ।
कौन सी मूवी आ रही है आप उनका नया बताओ? हाँ, आमिर खान का पीके
पीके, हाँ पीके सर।
So first word that comes to your mind when you see a defense personnel?
Defense personnel very transparent. They are very transparent. They are very disciplined. They are very logically. They used to talk in logic.
ठीक है सर। फाइन सर। तो आपका बच्चे है, तो अगर आपका बच्चे इंडियन आर्मी में जाना चाहता है तो आपका रिएक्शन कैसा होगा?
खुशी लगेगा।
खुशी होगा सर।
बहुत खुशी लगेगा।
Where are you from?
I am from Afghanistan.
Okay, so how do you feel here in India?
Yeah, I feel. Yeah, I think I feel very lucky because before I came to India, I was a student in Kabul University. I got a scholarship in KT University.
Okay.
And after that, I came here and I am a student in KT and CS and still here.
Okay.
Have you heard of the Bollywood movies?
Yeah, actually, I saw so many Indian movies.
So you must be aware of Amir Khan.
I like Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan.
So can you name his upcoming movie? Any
Amir
guesses?
Khan.
Any guesses?
Amir Khan's movie, yeah,
New
actually.
upcoming movie actually, sir.
Upcoming movie like action, action, tragedy one movies, which is on 5 December.
Okay, fine.
And Salman Khan movies Cake, I saw that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's
Very
good
good,
movie. And Shah Rukh Khan movies and New Year, Happy New Year.
Oh, fine.
I saw that movie. It's very good movie.
Have you liked that movie, sir?
Yeah, I like that. I like Indian movies so much. That country is very good, and Indian and Afghanistan relationship is also very good. And also every year Afghanistan got the scholarship and Indian free. Everything is free. Supporter is Indian government.
Okay. And what is your message for the Indian Army? Message for the Indian Army is that we are all proud to be Indians, and I, on my personal level, it does not mean that it is just their India. For me, India is me. India is complete because of me. And if this is the day, I salute them and I want to go up to them, work with them, make this country prouder, better, bigger.